Hey there, boys and girls. Here we are, day 7 of our February daily math. All right. Look at number 1 here. We have 7 times 5 minus 5 times 5. And that is the same as something times 5. So this times 5 is the same in all of it, right? So let's look at what else is there. All right. Let's check out. Let's just take that away. So we have a times 5, a times 5, and a times 5. So really what's left? Okay, we have 7 minus 5 is the same as, well, what times 5? 7 minus 5 equals 2, right? That's it. 7 minus 5 is 2. So we're really using our distributive property, but instead of adding or splitting it apart and making it two easier numbers, we're kind of taking the big number and changing it up a little bit this way. So instead of 2 and 5 is 7, it's 7 minus 5 is 2. Kind of back to the old fact triangle, really. Way back. Way back. We always keep building on what we already know in math, right? So keep working and you'll get it. Someday that's going to be like, oh, that's easy. So let's look at number 2 here. Use less than, greater than, or equal to. We get some coins. We get some change here. 2 quarters, 3 dimes, 2 nickels versus a quarter, 7 dimes, and 3 pennies. So first, how much are 2 quarters worth? 25 and 25 is 50. 3 dimes, those are each worth 10. So we are at 50. With 3 tens would be 60, 70, 80. 2 nickels are each worth 5, so now we're going to count by 5s. So we're at 80, so we go 85, 90. So on this side over here, we have 90 cents. On this side, we have 1 quarter, which is 25, 7 dimes. So each one is worth 10, right? So 25, so we go 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, 85, 95. So, we're already over. We're already over the 90. 95 and 3 pennies, 96, 97, 98. So, less than, greater than, or equal to, we want that alligator mouth open to the big number. That means it's the less than on this way. 90 is less than 98. So let's look at number 3. Use these digits to make 4 different 3-digit numbers. Okay, so let's go 629, and then we'll go 692. And we'll just go backwards. 962, 926. Okay, and now the second part says, order your numbers from greatest to least. So what is the largest number? Well, we know the 900s are greater than the 600s, so one of these two numbers has to be the biggest number. So the hundreds is the same. Now we go to the tens digit. There's a 6 in this one, and there's a 2 in that one. A 6 is greater than a 2, so 962 is our largest or greatest number. Next is 926. Now we have 2 in the 600s. So now we look into the tens column. Here's a 2, and there's a 9. Well, the 9 is larger than a 2. So our 692 goes there, and 629 is our smallest of those 4 numbers. Fraction time! Penny cut her candy bar into 4 equal pieces. She ate 1 of those 4 equal pieces, or 1/4, a quarter of it. What fraction of the candy bar is left? So I'm going to draw a little picture to go with this, and we're going to go like that, and we'll split it in half, and then we'll split it in half again. So that's the whole candy bar is this whole big rectangle. And she split it into 4 equal pieces. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 equal pieces. She ate 1 of those. Okay? So, how much of the candy bar is still left? 1, 2, 3 out of 4 pieces. So 3/4 of that candy bar is still left. 3 equal pieces out of the 4. Okay? I like to think of that line as out of. I can also think of it as divided by. We'll get into some of the more names for it, but that is 3/4. Holly lives in Washington, D.C. She got a Valentine's Day card from her grandfather in New York and one from her cousin in Atlanta. Which card traveled farther? Okay, so she lives in Washington, D.C., and this is the distance to Washington from 3 different cities. So her grandfather in New York or her cousin from Atlanta. So in this problem, Boston really doesn't have anything to do with this, does it? It's just kind of there, and it's a little bit extra. So let's look at the question. All right. Which one traveled farther? 228 miles versus 640 miles. Well, the one from Atlanta traveled farther, right? Traveled 640 miles. So the card from Atlanta. Now it's asking how much farther. So it's not asking for the 640 miles, right? So it's 640, and we're comparing it to New York, which is 228. So 0 minus 8, more on the floor, we have to borrow from next door. Now we have 10 minus 8 is 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. And 6 minus 2 is 4. So how much further or farther? 412 miles. All right, great work, boys and girls. Those are some tricky problems today. So don't forget, check them off if you had them wrong. If you had no idea how to do one, please circle it and then let me know, okay? And write your score in there, make your corrections, and we'll have a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow for day 8.